Good morning, everyone. Well, with a weak cold front working over us this evening and an area of low pressure working by us for tomorrow, we do have rain and snow chances to talk about, but it's not looking super wet by any means. That said, even at 8 a.m. this morning, can't rule out a few stray snow flurries. I think it's more likely you will not see snow, but I do have to mention the chance a few folks might encounter a little bit of snow coming down for the morning commute, but nothing big, not a morning where you need to give yourself extra time to get to work or school. And it looks like temporarily we're going to be drying out around lunchtime. Looks completely dry in the region. High temperatures today in the low 40s, right where we should be for this time of year. It is going to get breezy this afternoon, gusts around 20 miles per hour, so a little bit of a wind chill factor. You'll have to take a few degrees off these temperatures, so probably only feeling like the upper 30s today, but not too bad. And then once we get into the late afternoon, notice how the green starts to show up again. A few stray showers are possible, including for the homebound commute, but still looks like more likely that you're going to be staying dry than seeing rain. Our best chance of rain is going to be early this evening as that cold front works over us. This is a very weak cold front, though, just barely getting to us. So we're not going to see a big temperature change. In fact, it looks like tomorrow is going to be a little bit warmer than today. But it looks like there's going to be just enough energy left with this front to generate at least some isolated showers. Definitely our best chance of rain, but not everyone seeing the rain. I still think some could miss out, but do need to mention if you're going to be out early this evening, I'd still carry the umbrella just in case one of these showers works over you. Notice that by the time we get to midnight, already past the peak, just a few leftover stray rain showers. And I think there's going to be a drying trend for much of the night, and it really looks like the chance for any precipitation for the morning commute tomorrow is going to be very low. Notice some green trying to show up, but really struggling. It looks like, if anything, tomorrow will be even drier than this morning. Even this morning, not much going on as far as those stray snow flurries go. That said, it does look like the early morning tomorrow is going to be the driest part of the day. Because look what happens when we jump ahead into the late morning. Notice still not much, but a little bit more showing up. And then as we get into the late afternoon, once again, early evening hours tomorrow looking like our best opportunity. This isn't a cold front. This is that area of low pressure that's going to be not directly over us, but scraping us. And so bringing the rain chance back. And I will say probably a little bit better chance of rain for the late afternoon, early evening tomorrow than today. Still not super wet, but I think a better opportunity. I think a few more folks are going to be getting in on the rain for tomorrow. So notice the uptick once we get to 3 o'clock, but also notice temperatures tomorrow. So looking like a lot of us are going to reach the mid-40s for highs tomorrow. And tomorrow, there's not going to be much wind, no more than about 10 miles per hour. So I do think it's going to be not only just looking at the temperatures warmer, but also feeling warmer as well with less wind around. Notice that the rain chance continues into the early evening hours as well, particularly across the northern part of the area. So in the late afternoon, probably a peak in the southern part of the region, and then the early evening, the peak in the northern part of the region, Lake Porter and LaPorte County. And then I do have to mention that the rain chance is probably going to be lingering through Tuesday night, but I do think we're going to be past the peak after we get through the early evening hours Tuesday.